she was lost in so many different ways, out into darkness with no guide. I know the cost of a losing one, never to the grace of God, though I found heaven on earth. You were my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Ave Manon, when I'm surrounded by friends, how could this silence be so loud? But I still go on, knowing that I've got you. There's only us when the lights go down. You are my heaven on earth. You are my hunger, my thirst. I always hear this voice inside. Oh, my songs and song can come past you by, while you're busy making plans. Suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out of your head. Baby, you got to understand, you are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Oh, my I see you beside me. It's only a day. Visions of what used to be, the laughter, the sorrow, future and time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? It is too late to let you know. I try to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even tonight, it only reminds me of you. I needed more freedom, that's what I thought, but I was supposed to believe. My heart cried while you cried rivers of tears, but I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. love you.